That poor bird, I can see him. He's just like, why? Why isn't this guy coming out yet?
Alright. I was only able to find one gardening glove down in the...
Well, that's all you need.
But I'll use a winter glove for the other one. So I can open up this window, and he's in between actually the screen and the outer window. All right, buddy.
He's coming to the house.
Belly has rabies.
You're gonna be all right, buddy.
Okay, he wants to go over the street, so that's good.
That fucker smells like shit too.
You were closed. You shit yourself?
I can't believe he's not in the room.
I think there's a screen there.
Oh, he's still stuck.
Yeah, no, he's in between the screen. Come here.
Hey, you can actually film this. Move over to the side. You want to see this? Care about your audience.
Yeah, seriously.
Easy.
No, we don't have the back of your head still.
Look at that.
Oh, this television here.
It's all over you.
I hope you would have been clinging to you. Be free! I wanted to cling to his face for a while.
He's free! Oh, my cat is flipping her shit now.
Maybe your cat will leave the bird shit. President's off again.
All right.